Hey, it's your girl K Squad. I went out and got some chicken wings, if you could say that. They chopped the damn wings off them. I don't know how they make them wings. But I washed them off and all that, and I put some seasoning on it so far. So far, that's adobo and some onion seasoning. Now I'm gonna add the rest of my seasonings to it. But I don't tell every seasoning that I use. You put your own seasoning. Remember, flavor is what your palate is susceptible to. Too much salt, not enough. You do you. So I'm putting some of these Sasso packets. I need to refresh stock on some pepper. I know my pepper's going. Remember, I like pepper. So we had some garlic up there. The only thing we had to add was some salt and pepper. Then you know the rest. Stir these babies up until they smell how you want them to smell. They smell how you want them to smell, you know they're gonna taste how you want them to. It's not enough garlic and onion for me. So I'm just putting some choppies because I don't have garlic salt. And these little granulates are gonna burn up in in your grease when you get to that point. So try to shake them off as much as you can when you flour them. The onions I have for seasoning for just the flavor. So okay. I got one more seasoning. I'm not showing. Okay. You see these? You see that? Seasoning all on it. Now I'm just gonna peel a couple of potatoes because it's only me and my son. I'm gonna make a very small potato salad. Just a small one. There's nobody here. So I definitely know all that chicken will go. Chickens are no problem. So just a couple of potatoes. And it's me, K Squad. I'm back, representing my fam's logo. Feel me? I just went. I got me a couple bushels of some greens. I'm gonna have some greens. And I bought some neck bones. I bought 2 different kinds because I have family members who don't eat pork. And you have someone like me who eats pork, beef, chicken, pheasant, fucking greens. I eat everything. So, but so yeah, along with my potato salad and my fried chicken, I'm gonna make some collard greens. So stay tuned, and next clip will show you what you want to drip from your lip. Alright, squad. I'm back. Got my bowl for my greens. Here. Okay, squatters. Now I got my green, and I'm about to soak them in some salt water to pull the dirt up out of them instead of wiping them down. Wiping them down takes too long. So we're just done whatever's hot growing up. I'm from a southern family. Indian on both. Two squatters. Potato salad. Potatoes at that. Okay. Here we go. Some onion here and there. Some people like it, some people don't. I do. The onion gives like the best flavor. I'll get that over there. Okay, so there's no more relish, so I have to make my own. Make some mustard. Mayo. My pepper is gone. When your back's against the wall, make do. Alright, here we go. I need my other cutting board. So I can get busy. Okay, come with me. So, we're in hot. Remember, I'm not frying all that chicken. That's a lot of chicken. I'm only frying enough. I'm up out of here. We've been sitting, marinating. Get a couple. And I'm back. Cooking up slow. I'm about to put a top on it because when you put a top on it, turn it down a little more, it cooks in the inside better. Turn it down a little bit. Now, the look at these neck bones. I didn't put any seasoning or anything on them, but I needed them. Cook up. It's just for flavor, basically, more or less. See my neck bones over here? All that meaty meat, neck bone meat. Alright. We're gonna leave these neck bones. Put it back on. My greens. I'm adding my greens in now because I want everything cooked together and the little juices that's in there to you know, cook up with it. 2 bushels, neck bones on the bottom. Everything's gonna come marinate together. Meat from the bones will eventually fall off. And we'll have the collared and beef neck bones. I love this pressure cooker because things cook in less time. And don't add any salt because you soak your greens in salt. So you don't want to overdo it. And you taste them after. My one ingredient that I love to cook with my collard greens is hot sauce. And it has to be Frank's. Can't be no other. It has to be Frank's. So, go back to the chicken. Smells so good. This is what's going on for lunch at Kay's house. Alrighty. Okay, coming out. Do these. And steam me up in this kitchen now with this, with the greens going. A potato sandwich done, check. Chicken's on the way out, check. The last thing that's gonna take the most time will be the greens and beef neck bones. But anyway, squatters, I'll show you the last ending result of everything when the time is right for these greens to come out. Chickadees. now, all we're gonna do is wait for this. And our Thursday lunch will be on and popping. As my oldest son says, they'll be smack. I'll see you in a few. Very hot outside and making it really hot in the house with me cooking. So my greens were cut really big, something I normally don't do. It smells so good. For the greens and the neck bones. Trying to find these neck bones in here. Hiding. Up with vinegar in my greens and cabbage. I don't do it now as an adult. I use the hot sauce. So right now, I'm fresh out. So this is where we're at. Okay, squatters. We're on some fried chicken, a potato salad that's in the refrigerator, chilling, and greens. Forgot to get biscuits or my or some cornbread, but it's whatever your choice is. Like I said, I'm not being picky today because nobody's here to eat, so it's what I want. Chicken, potato salad, and collard greens is good enough for me. I need to taste, see what's going on with the flavor in here. There's no seasoning in it. Remember, I didn't put seasoning because I soaked them in the salt. I really need to go get my hot sauce. And I ran out of pepper.
Still recording. You're still on camera.
Which ingredient?
Still didn't get to see it.
I know. I was supposed to.
Oh, it's that.
A secret ingredient is a secret ingredient. That's like when I'm gonna do my baked macaroni and cheese. I can't show what my secret ingredient is.
Milk.
I'm like, no. No.
Oh, now I know what it is.
How's milk a secret ingredient?
If it's not milk, then I know what it is.
No.
I mean, I won't say it till you stop.
Certain cheese. It's a different cheese. So, okay, squatters. Let's see.
You don't
I'm just missing hot sauce.
That's the one thing.
I'll keep letting this cook down. And we'll be on and popping. Picked up some croissants. This is one of my secret ingredients to my stuff. What's going on? how much different and better they protrude in the bee. Coming out real nice. Let that sit up while I'm doing the biscuits. Okay, here we go. Paying attention? Okay. Just I move fast, so I hope you can. Just go. Just go. Sometimes, if it's depending on how many of my kids are in the house, I'll break them down. And I'll take one croissant and make it into two. All you need is the triangle shape, so it's not too difficult. I was going to make the cornbread, but he preferred the croissant instead of a biscuit or cornbread. Just him and I, so we don't need that many. Just rolling these out, just enough of him and I, and we're good. Here we go. Need about 8 minutes. The chicken. My potato salad. And we're working on these wonderful greens. The greens is gonna stay until it's time for everything to be done. Here we are, the end of my cooking expedition. Besides, the greens still losing some steam up over here. Nice little food. My son would kill me if I made these darker than anything brown beyond this brown to him is considered burnt. He doesn't know real good food yet. That's nice. And then I'll just take these chicken, put them in a bowl. There's me, a blue plate. Nothing fancy yet, but soon enough. I'll just show you. I'll get fancy with it today. Soup. Now this, I'm gonna have to wait for it to calm down before I can open it back. Because I'm done, but I just wanna make a plate and show you my final presentation of everything. Oh, not too much. Do like so. waiting for that steam to stop on here, basically. I'm telling you, this thing is so wonderful. I got it it was a Christmas gift. And I haven't stopped using it. This thing makes cakes, bakes, boils, fries, sautés, fratés, fricassee. I'm very impatient when it comes to this opening. You have to let the steam out in order for it to unlock. You heard? Can you smell and hear that? That's what Mom scissors like. Alright, let's get in here. So I'm gonna leave this in here to keep doing its own accord, because the longer it stays, the more that meat's gonna fall off that bone. But like I said, for my presentation plate, I have to hook it up. So some of this out of here. See if I can find a nice neck bone to put up on there with that. Dreams. And looks like a nice one. Nice neck bone. It's a hard plate. That's a big plate. Like I say, if you were my friend and you were at my house, don't be scared. I do that enough for me. But in the end, here's my presentation plate. I hope you liked it. Potato salad. Here's a plate. Plate from Kay. Enjoy. Bon appetit. K appetit from K Squad. Down to me. Feeding you until next time. My cousin challenged me. I always make to videotape what I'm cooking, and I don't back up from no challenge. So that plate's for you, fam. Okay, squad. Till next time.